Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in to History Lessons with Lee. Today we're going to learn who invented the steak bar for party tents. Just let me grab my book here and my glasses so I can see, as I'm getting quite old.
The steak bar was created in 2020 by the bartending photo boothing rental guy.
Just kidding. I don't know who created the steak bar, but if you tune into this video, I'm going to show you how I do DIY steak bars for my party pole tents. Okay, you're probably wondering, what's a steak bar? This is a steak bar. Kidding, this is a steak bar. All of you tenters who are worried about a tent blowing away in the wind, steak bars is security. You want security? I want security. Everyone wants security. This is the steak bar that I made. Let's give her a test, and then I'm going to show you how to make it. So I just went to my local metal place and I found these pieces of metals. Cost me 10 bucks for 16 pieces, so I can make steak bars out of them. Okay, so I'm just at the hardware store and I'm gonna get a metal hole saw bit so I can drill out the holes for my steaks. Okay, so what we're doing is we're taking this bar and then we're gonna drill it with this so that it becomes this. Me, I've got small 3/4 inch steaks, then I've got big 1 inch thickness steaks. So I'm gonna go with 1 1/4 inch drill hole saw. Okay, so these bars are just a little bit too big for my little tents that I want to keep secure. They are 33 inches long. I'm going to take them down to 24 inches long. So I've got my Sawzall here, my reciprocating saw, and I'm just gonna cut the bar down a little bit so that my steak bars aren't so big. So now I'm gonna just drill the holes in them. Okay, so here's my little drilling bit. Seems to work all right on this metal. If it gets a little hot, you can use some lubricating oil, some 3-in-1, just to help the blade not burn out as quick. But depending on the thickness of metal, you might not even need it. I do suggest using a metal a little bit thicker than what I'm using, but this is more of a test. I don't even think with 20 by 20 and 20 by 30s you need steak bars, but I'm making them anyways. Okay, there we have it. 2-foot wide homemade steak bars. What you want to do is attach your ratchet loop down below the middle steak, and then you'll get 3 times the amount of secureness. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure and press that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.